The secrets inside this book will shock you.
To drink with Lady
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time joining, then get post for YouTube or you dey watch, you never subscribe. Please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you can know anytime I put video for you. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. True life story written by Lady T, True Dreams. My name now Vivian. I grew up with my grandparents. When I did my grandparents' house, now there they make me understand, say, the house when they, the big house when they back of our house, now my papa house. They can't tell me, say, every time my papa come, he build that house. Then after he build the house, he bring his wife and the children come the house. They stay holidays for like 3 weeks. They go back to Obodo Ibo, where they from come. Then the man can't come again on his own. He can't begin to send my mama message. Buy this for me, do this for me, do that for me. My grandmama say he look the man like a responsible man. He not to talk. Before you know what they happen, my mama okra, he can't grow. They ask her, who be the person when you give you belle? Now my mama say, now that man will get that big gas for back of our house. And the man not there around again. The man already traveled back to Obodo Ibo, go meet his family. My grandmama come dey find means to take reach this man, to tell am say the okra when he plant, he don't grow, he not see this man. The time when he can't fit get this man number, the okra, the belle don't big. The man say not be he get belle because he get family. My mama dey cry say na him, nobody enter there apart from this man. At the time when he take go send a message, when he tell am say make he come, then he take Colombia and put for inside a room, do wetin he do. My grandmama and my grandpapa, they say they no dey remove anything. Say he must born the pikin. Then the man dey abroad, he not come back. But we not sure whether his wife they are aware of anything. Say see wetin his husband do for Nigeria when he come. But we can't. My grandmama say he can't dey try to reach the man. He said the man phone not dey go. The man, the nobody bring give am the man number again. And the next he come for holiday. Gate man wey dey the house say he no know anything. And they don't know the man family. So later, after my mama born me, then the man come. Now they come make the man understand, say, see, the man say he go for DNA before anything. Now DNA that they wait for, the man not bring money come for DNA. My grandmama said the money for DNA, he not fit pay the money because to even itself na problem for them. And the man, he not bring money come for DNA. So, well, that one not be why we carry this matter come here today. That one another different story. When my mother, after my mother born me, my mom can say, what you can they do for house? And things hard. The amala and pepper soup wey they chop, it can't too much. Then my mama come talk say he wants to travel abroad. And so my mama say enter Europe. He leave me with my grandparents. But before my mama go Europe, my grandmama tell am say abeg, this Europe when you dey go so, abeg. They say na black boy na him be the problem. Because then me too, me don dey grow dey come small. They say na black boy na be the problem when be say people they get for this Europe. So as it be say you they go so, I no want maybe say you go carry black boy. If now Oyibo, make you deal with Oyibo. My mama say in here they can't come out. But according to wetin me they see for house after my mother travel abroad, my grandpapa and my grandmama They always they go one native doctor place. They go they talk say this our pikin wey dey abroad, abeg do am make black boy no see am, make she no see black boy, because they no wan make carry black boy, because they say na black boy be the wahala wey people dey get. Say once they don carry black boy, they no dey remember house again, they no dey remember wetin carry dem come abroad again. They go dey do am, but they no tell my mama. And truly, when my mama come dey abroad, one day he call my grandmama, he say don't get oyibo, the oyibo wan marry am. My grandmama come dey happy. My grandmama come carry a lot of good things. He can't go give the native doctor, take thank am, say he do well for this thing wey he do for am. He pikin don finally marry oyibo. Dem still dey house at that time. Though I small, but I still know wetin dey happen at that time. Small small. After my mama marry oyibo, he come born for the oyibo. He come born baby boy for the oyibo. The boy name na Pasquale, because they say for Italy, Pasquale na Easter time. Just this time when be say we take dey talk this story now. Pasquale na could be the name of my younger brother. Then after my mother born my brother, e not say my mama carry me enter Italy. Now so I take enter Italy. I come dey stay with my stepfather and my mom and my brother Pasquale. We dey together as a big happy family. My mama he build us for Nigeria, and the house where they dey for Italy, now my stepfather na get the house. My stepfather received me with open arms. He accepts me into the family. Now lovely father, and in short, our family now lovely family. But wetin I can't notice, I know they see black people for our house. If we do birthday, we do Christmas, we do any celebration, now so oyibo people now they see. Now I can tell my mother say, why we know they see black people for our house, but if I come outside, I dey see black people for the area. My mama tell me say, you know they follow black people. He say because black people they too get wahala. He say one time, if I get one friend, before you know, the friend go wan kolobi her husband. Then he come still get another friend. Before you know, he begin dey jealous, begin dey talk. So for that reason, he just cut off with black people. He no dey follow any black people. Now oyibo wey he marry, now oyibo still be friends. Being as say black people not dey enter our house, so for school, me and white people we can't be friends. I can't dey go school, I can't learn the language, I dey speak the language well. We dey live happy family. My mama can't get one friend, good friend, best friend, when her name na Paola. Every time they come our house, we dey go each other family house. Sometimes we dey eat together for family place, family house. Sometimes we go their house go eat. Sometimes we go invite our family come our house to come eat. So we just be good family. One day I see my mama, she dey cry. I ask my mama say, wetin dey make you dey cry? My mama say wetin she see today, na wetin dey make her dey cry. The thing be say, she say that she and her friend Paola they go do shopping. Where they finish the shopping, Paola come tell her say she get appointment with doctor today for hospital. If my mother will follow her go, my mom say okay, no problem, I go follow you. So Paola husband be wan follow her, but he can't just call the husband say okay, make you not worry, say if they with my mother, then they will go together. He say when they reach the hospital, the doctor begin to check Paola. But before Paola enter inside the hospital, enter inside the room where they want for check her, my mother dey outside. So Paola come ask the doctor say whether my mom fit follow am enter inside because they be best of friends. Then the doctor say no problem, if na wetin you want, at least one person dey follow person. So my mom come follow them, follow her enter inside the room. She come sit down. Then they come dey check her. E come be say she come do breast cancer test. After they finish the test, the doctor tell am say she no get anything, that she's okay. So now then my mom come talk say, you too dey fear. He tell you say you dey okay, you just dey fear. You see her now, doctor say you dey okay. Now my mom come talk say one day she go still do her own test. Then the doctor come say, if you want me I test you now, I go test you. He come say, you fit test me without the doctor receipt? He say, since you don already dey here, if you do, I say, but not be waiting that they do. He say, okay, I just do it because to go past that process, e no go easy. So that she lie down. The doctor check her, the doctor come discover say she gets cancer of the breast. Then the doctor tell her say he no fit give her any receipt. He say because she not come in the normal way, the way she take come, so she not fit print any receipt give her, that make she go meet her doctor go give her the paper, then she'll go redo the test again, then she fit come know what to do. Now wetin my mother tell me when I take come back from school, she dey cry. My stepfather dey there. Now I come tell her say make she no worry, say everything go dey okay. But not be say I don still big that time, but at that time I don dey go 15 years. So I try to pet my mom because I love her so much. She has been there, though she not train me, but she not dey finish to talk to me, to show me love from distance as a mother, even when she not there with me. So I feel for her. Then she can't go meet her doctor, can't go back to go do the normal test. The same thing, they say she gets cancer of the breast. So she can't begin the therapy, she can't do wetin they say make she do. Before we know wetin dey happen, they say now the two breasts, now the thing don't affect. That there is nothing they fit do now to cut the two breasts comot. My mom come say, but he start to dey take therapy for a very long time. Why they want come cut am? They say they think say na wetin they go fit do, say the cancer na bad one, not be wetin they fit do. Now to remove am, if not, it go spread enter body. My mom no get choice than to do wetin doctor tell her make it do. They come cut the two comot. We dey with her for hospital. My stepfather dey with her, my brother Pasquale, all of us we dey together. Then she come house, she come here, but nobody ever know say that kind of thing happen except we when be the family. Because anytime my mom won't come out, she dey wear bra and she dey put all this thing inside the bra, so she still look normal, nothing different. Now only we when dey house, because when you go there sometimes you go just leave on like that, the place go come be like man chest. But my stepfather, he no like am. My stepfather come begin dey change. My stepfather just begin dey change. Now here we'll finish part 1. Then we'll come back for part 2. Thank you for watching. God bless you. And please stay tuned to watch the part 2, because I don't want me too long because of Nigerian people, so that they not to get that task, so that they enjoy the story. That's why I dey cut am short. I don't want to make it too long. So my people, try to understand them. And please just stay tuned to watch the part 2, to watch how everything ends. And we go learn from this story. Thank you so much. And please support us by subscribing and Also click on the notification bell so you go know anytime we put video for here. And please put your like finger, that finger wey you take press like, up ever for you. You will never go backward in the mighty name of Jesus. And also please, I beg you, share this video. Share it to your friends, to your loved ones, to your brother. Share this video as you are supporting us by sharing our video. Almighty God will support you in everything that you do. Thank you so much. See you on part 2. Bye.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will see you through.